sir, Savita madam, Vijayalakshmi, your predecessor, Chaduma, Upama, Viresh, here, all IMAs, my loving dear teachers, students. Everybody starts the speech with welcome, but I like to start with thank you. Right. I thank the JSW.
If you ask me to compare both the schools, to Bombay schools, we can't compare. The teachers are coming from city and they have different exposure. If I compare both, I honestly, humbly say, you are the best I have seen. You are the best, because this is my fifth school from where I am moving out. I became a principal at the age of 34. I was a young boy with all enthusiasm to change the entire world within a day. Tapas. So when you young blood, you want to change and prove that you are better and you are capable. I started with that spirit, but the teachers were good to teach me, to tell me, those words. Understand. And just 2 years or 3 years after my taking over, I will feel unembarrassed. I will embarrassed. Please, no, please. No, sir, please, I tell you to executive program of leadership. There I learned that you need to take people around. A principal cannot be successful without the teachers. That I followed all the time. And you have been the best and very humble, very docile, very receptive. You are willing to listen and willing to move, willing to be molded, willing to change, willing to transform. When the teachers learn, when the teachers themselves transform, that is reflected on the students. When the students are transformed, the school gets transformed. That I have seen very much in this school. So I thank from the bottom of my heart each and every teacher of this school. Starting from all the IMAs, it is they who kept our school neat and clean. Our school physically conducive for proper learning. Then from them we took over. We take over every day. From the person who opens the doors of each and every classroom. They are the one who start the school for us. I thank all IMAs, all chokidars, all security people who made our work very easy. I thank Vice Principal, HM, all the class coordinators, HODs, the leaders who passed my vision, who imbibed my vision and transferred that vision in turn to other leaders and teachers. And that way, as a team, we go. I've been changing the coordinator every year. I've been changing some of the in charges practically every year. Because our school is a huge school and everybody could get, maximum number of teachers could get chances. So I thank all of you, especially if I take few names, don't get offended. Look at us, they have contributed more. Vice Principal, of course, Professor sir, HM, Ambika madam, Mini, Lilavati madam in the PUC, in the middle level, so many teachers are there. KG special. Bharati and Praveen Begum, Pushpalata, they have been doing great job. So each and every coordinator is responsible for what we see into it. From the day people came to know that I am going to be superannuated or retired, some may bring with a large number, the result that we bring may not be highlighted. But every student has grown in personality and in character. That is your contribution, that is our contribution. And I want the next person to carry on this tradition. That we teach students, we don't just teach or cover the syllabus or curriculum. That should be the base of each and every teaching. That we touch the lives of students. Our students may not in the longer run remember, as I told in many staff meetings, students may not remember your physics and chemistry and algebra. They remember the teacher who touched it. And we have 200 people in our community. There are hundreds of teachers who day by day touch one or another student. You may not realize, but I realize. I have got feedback. I have talked to the parents. I have talked to the students. There are so many evidences. So that is the beauty of JAV. Please, this tradition should continue, and we take pride in being part of JAV. Sir's car or somebody else's car, I come on the school bus also, in all modes. According to mode, the security person will receive in the car. I have seen, this is my personal experience. First 1 year. At that time, they didn't know. Once they stopped, somebody stopped at me. Where are you from? Oh, I am the principal of JAV. Hey, JAV, what's that? People do not know our school. That is the situation. No recognition. People do not know. So it is our duty. Once upon a time, this school was called Labour Colony School. This school was called Labour Colony School. Because you know. So, how to bring the school up? That is the responsibility of each and every teacher present. It's important. Our school is not just a Labour Colony School, nor a SC school. It's a school of par excellence. Par excellence. Teachers are the best teachers. They work so hard. They contribute to education so much. We have the next principle as a challenging task of making our school recognized. Top of it. So everybody should be proud of us. Parents, students, teachers should be proud of belonging to our school and take ownership of school. This is how each and everything is mine. So Tanvi madam was talking to me, and we had in 2017 we had a meeting of principals. She asked me, "Amma sir, what about school you want to start? If you want to give a name of your school, that what title you will do?" I said, "If given a chance with all the resources and facilities, the name of my school will be my apostle." You remember? Yeah. My name of my school, if I start with the promoter allows me, I keep the school my apostle. When it is my apostle school, every child, where are you going to school? Which school are you going? I am going to apostle school. Yeah. So that should be. Every child should be is going to my apostle school, my apostle school. So that should be. And all you teachers also, where are you going? I am going to apostle school. Are you also? You can still going to no, I am going to my apostle school. Right? So that should be. So the JA has to come up there. My apostle school after all. Then everything belonging to one is everything goes. And next is that alumni. How alumni speak of the school. After coming here, I have started taking a pride on saying that I have started alumni association school. Keep this tradition. Keep this tradition of calling. Even if 5 students come, no problem. Don't worry. Fix a date and have alumni meeting every year. And this in a longer period, the number will increase because our ex-students for alumni are not in big position because only 5 or 6 batch that has gone out. The first batch must have come maybe they may be the first year, second year of their service. So they are not big thing, but they can be our school's ambassadors. They are the best ambassadors. Keep alumni meet regularly without fail, and they will help us. How to gauge the school's culture? How our senior students, 11th and 12th students, when they go out, they will always remember the teacher who taught mathematics, physics, chemistry, bio. They have no regard for Kannada, English, Hindi teachers. This language they don't pay attention. They make it 100 out of 100 in mathematics, but in English and in Kannada and Hindi they will just pass 40, 50, 60. That's the importance of it. But if a school, students of a school who are in senior classes, 9th and 11th, if the way they treat pre-primary and primary teachers, that's the best. That's the best. And that happens in school. I have asked every student of outgoing batch, whom have you been touched? Invariably, out of 30 students, 5 to 10 students would say KG teacher and pre-primary teachers. And ours is huge, so I don't want to take the names of the teachers. So many teachers are there. You, primary and pre-primary teachers, are not just KG teacher, grade 1 or 2 teacher. You are as important as the teacher who takes physics, chemistry, mathematics in 11th and 12th. And very important to be available. And that culture should be developed because students, outgoing students, remember the teacher who helped him when he was crying in the KG. The boy remembers you. You may not recognize him today. You may not have been teaching him, but that boy, that girl thinks of him. You may not express gratitude to the physics teacher, maths teacher, science teachers. You may not express to the primary, LKG, UKG, or grade 1 or 2 teachers. That's why, in my opinion, if given chance, these primary, pre-primary teachers should be paid the highest. They should. An organization could come that way and give due importance to the KG primary. Which teacher will go and wash the tatty of anybody? The teachers do. They take the washroom, the vomit of the children. KG teachers do. They should be recognized. And they should be paid well. They should be paid well. KG and pre-primary teachers should be paid well. They should. That is my conviction. It's up to the management and others. Primary, primary teachers, because the children are touched at the lowest level. And that touch only takes him forward. They only form the children. The entire formation takes place up to class 5. And these are the teachers who should be recognized much more than other teachers. Of course, I don't say they should not be, but they should also be given equal importance of teachers who are in 11th to 12th. Open the mobile and search the meaning of labor. What the meaning of labor? There are two spellings, one is British, one is American. Please find the meaning of labor. For the school, labor for the organization. The way the mother takes the pain, even up to the level of losing her own life, to bring out a new life. To that level, labor for the organization, for the school. Every day, the way you prepare your lessons, the way you deal with the child, it should be such that as if you are delivering a baby. That should be the level of your labor. Labor for the organization. Work for the organization. Work for the school. Be loyal to your profession. Be loyal to the profession. Labor for the organization. Be loyal to the profession. But people say you should be loyal to the organization. If you become loyal to the organization, you become slaves. You become chamchas. Don't become loyal to the chair or to the principal or to HOD or to HM or VP or anybody in school. Don't become. That's wrong. That's why some of you call people Amma, Appa, Bhaiya. No Bhaiya, no Amma, no Appa in the school. No school. Some of you call some of our teachers Amma, Appa. No Amma. Very professional. Be loyal to the profession. When you are loyal to the profession, you will keep on learning. You will update yourself. When you stop updating, you are not loyal to your profession. How loyal you are to your profession? Go out and see. Face be introduced. Your job is safe here. Go and face. How much the market demands. What is your stand? Face interviews and come. I have allowed you without compromising with the job here. Job is safe. Face and come. Even if you don't get, no problem. If you get a job and you get a higher salary, higher environment, go. But you will come to know where you stand, where our school stands, where our organization stands. Then you better appreciate the present organization better, then you release your own salary better. So please, always be loyal to the profession. Update yourself. Keep on learning. There are so many new educational philosophies coming up. Our teaching profession doesn't end with our BA degree. We need to update. And people stop with BA. And that is the big harm, damage to our students if you don't update. Why you don't update? Because you are not loyal to your profession. When you are not loyal to your profession, the damage is done to the students' community. For example, the students of 11th and 12th, if the teachers of 11th and 12th don't update themselves, the way IIT coaching people, NEET coaching people are updating, students will not come up. Again, we have to call Avanti on those people for coaching. Update ourselves. Be loyal to your profession. Why we need all these external people? Update. So be loyal to the profession. Keys. It symbolizes him. Key shows power. Right? Authority. Key also symbolizes the knowledge, problem solving, solutions. Key also shows openings, opportunities, or openness. So, as I move up from this institution, I am going to hand over the keys of this organization to someone as per the order that it is. So, it is important that read the order because the order was not yet to anybody so far. Though all of you know the news. So, it was sent by Mr. Kotipalli on 25th February. Office order. It is our continuous endeavor to provide opportunities for internal growth to employees and motivate them to take on higher and diverse responsibilities. In view of the current requirement, it has been decided by management to strengthen organization of the school by reconstructing the school organization as follows. Consequent upon superannuation of Dr. Thomas Remigius, Principal, Jindal Adarsh Vidyalaya, PU College, Shankaril Township, Tarnagulu, on 31st March 2021, Mr. Koteshwara N shall look after the role of the Principal, JEV and GPUC in the interim period, in addition to his existing responsibilities till further notice. So, I request Mr. Koteshwara sir to come up on stage.